Hey, Musical Monocle here, and with April coming to an end, things are finally starting to heat up, so I figured we'd get this summer on like Donkey Kong with some DK Tropical Freeze smoothies. Okay, so before we make the smoothie, we're going to make a cozy for it. We're going to start off by measuring out the top edge of this solo cup, making sure that it's kind of tight, and then twisting it. And then we're going to get another measurement at the bottom. And to give it a little personality, I'm going to make a tie for it. Good thing about twist ties is if you make a mistake you can mold it and then secure it to the cup. Tie this part to the tie as well. If you'd like, you can also fill out the middle with more ties and bend it in the same kind of fashion as the other until it fills out the color. It'll end up looking like this, like a tie. And after that, we're gonna move on to add these popsicle sticks to it to make it look like a barrel, so it's a kind of a barrel koozie. In order to figure out how many popsicle sticks you need on it, I flattened out the circular wiring and then I lay the popsicle sticks on top to see how many I'll need, and then I flip it over and see how many I'll need on this side. I lay them out and I figure out how many I need total, and I figured out that I would need 24 for this size cup. So we're going to lay out all 24 of them first because I'm going to paint on a barrel design. And so I want to paint it before I glue them onto the wires. And I'm going to use puffy paint to draw on the metal bands of the barrel. If you want to, you can put some type of design to let others know that that's your cup. We're going to have to let it dry overnight since it's puffy paint, so see you in the morning. In order to glue the popsicle sticks on, I'm going to use a hot glue gun. Apply the glue to the wires and then quickly put the popsicle stick on. Be careful of two things: not to let the glue burn your skin, and also not to let the metal nozzle burn the plastic cup. The product should look something like this. If you did happen to burn any holes into the cup, you can just stick an extra cup in there, and it works just as fine. For the freeze part of the DK Tropical Freeze, we're going to put in some ice. It wouldn't be a DK Tropical Freeze without bananas. Next we're going to add almost 1/2 of a can of papaya chunks. Now we're going to add 1/2 of a mango and 1/2 of a can of pineapple, followed by 1/2 of a can of coconut juice with pulp. And put a little blast in the barrel with some cinnamon. Let's start mixing. Now just pour in your DK Tropical Freeze smoothie and enjoy. Here's hoping your summer is a barrel of fun.